Welcome! Today in front of me I have the Xiaomi Smart Band 9, and in this video I will unbox this smartwatch and we'll together see what accessories and items it comes with. So without any further ado, let's jump right into it. So let's see if we have any convenient way to open this box without tearing it apart. I certainly hope so. Yeah. I'll just use my handy-dandy knife to cut this film here. And now I should be able, to open the box no problem. And also very tidy unboxing. So here you have the Smart Band itself. Let's see what it looks like. So the Smart Band itself, let's see what it looks like exactly. So here is its display. That what a charging port or charging zone looks like. Alongside the watches or the smartwatch, you will also get the user manual, the charging wire, and as far as I can see, no charging adapter here, so it's not included, so make sure to keep that in mind. And well, everything has been taken out of the box, and as far as this unboxing goes, that'll be it, guys. So should you have any further questions, leave them in the comment section below this video. But as for now, thanks for watching and bye bye.